Radiant Integrated Techno Solutions was established in the year 2000 as a software development company in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and we are into the business of consulting, software development and software maintenance. We are part of Radiant Group of companies, which is a company which has got 24 regional offices across India, employing approximately 6,000 plus employees. Since being in software development, we need to work across locations at the client places, of it may be offshore or an on-site. Communication plays a vital role in our business. Reason being, our teams are spread across in different geographies and we need to talk to each other. We need to communicate on conferences, on web conferences, on video conferences or on audio conferences, and for all these solutions we rely on Matrix products. And right now you can see that there are approximately 70 plus projects going on across different geography locations, and our people are able to communicate from morning till night because we are working on the different time zones of the world, and it is required that we work 24 hours. So different shifts are keeping on working, and what I feel is our equipments which are supplied by Matrix are working 24 hours a day, and we may change during our shifts, but these equipments remain as the same, and this becomes our major advantage of using this particular product. And we are being able to reliably get all the support that we really require out of this product, and these products have really proven a great advantage in our company. Today our growth and our daily works are dependent on the Matrix products. I came to know about Matrix products during an exhibition in the year 2000, and before we could start in business, we were introduced about the product, and we really bought one equipment which was, I think, called as Proton 308, and that was the basic equipment that we started using. Today we are using IP-EBX based solutions, which is the state of the art. I think the highest product that we use called as Eternity right now, and we are able to have 200 plus extensions. We are able to take up 48 incoming lines at a time. We are able to do 20 party conference, 30 party conference across different locations. So right now we are able to get the product and use it to the maximum core it is possible, how it is possible to use that. And at the same time, one thing what I liked about the product was that we really wanted in our company to reduce the communication cost, and that became a vital challenge because we are communicating with the different locations, approximately to 6,000 people, and what we came to know at last is most of our calls are landing into the landlines. We are landing into landlines, and as the mobile communication started coming, we saw that most of the calls are now going, 70% of our call routed are to a mobile number. So we also asked the Matrix people to give us a solution on it, and they came up with a solution called FCT, and now we have installed FCT connected with our EPBX. So whenever a dialer is dialing from his phone, which is put in his table, he is able to take the trunk call which is going out as a mobile call. So substantially we were able to reduce 70% of our telecom cost by installing these equipments, and I would recommend everyone to go for this product so that your cost comes down and you're able to really focus on other areas of business and leaving alone the communication to Matrix. While company was witnessing growth across India into multiple locations, over a period of time we installed different EPBX solutions like NEC, Panasonic, Siemens, Accord, and all these things were, it was kind of mixed in the whole organization. So once we installed Matrix, we found these solutions to be superior, and we definitely took a step immediately to replace this equipment across India. So right now I can say our organization is totally dependent on Matrix. Each location, region-wise and pan-India, we use only Matrix now. Coming to the other solutions that are offered by them, like VoIP, we have installed VoIP in our office, and sometimes I don't feel where I'm sitting. Sometimes I'm at home and I'm able to take my extension call which is landing at my office, and sometimes I'm somewhere overseas and I'm able to take my extension calls there. So literally you will not feel where are you sitting right now, are you in the office or you are in holiday or wherever. So this kind of challenge which people have, multiple who travel multiple locations and who have critical things to be decided, for them I suppose this product should be of a boom.